Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion background black. Notion provides a simple, built-in dark mode feature that transforms your workspace into a sleek, dark theme. This setting is universal, meaning it will apply across all your pages and databases, offering a consistent visual experience. Activating dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain, especially when you are working in dimly lit environments or late at night, making your Notion experience more comfortable for your eyes. For desktop users, enabling dark mode is straightforward. First, locate and click on Settings and Members in your Notion sidebar. Next, navigate to the My Notifications and Settings section within the menu. Here, you will find an Appearance drop-down menu. Simply select Dark from the available options, and your Notion workspace will instantly switch to a black background, providing a fresh, new look. If you are using Notion on your mobile device, the process is just as simple. Open the Notion application and tap on the three dots icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This action will open a menu with various settings. Scroll down until you see the Appearance option and tap it. Finally, choose Dark to immediately apply the black background theme to your mobile Notion interface. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, dark mode offers several practical benefits. It can improve readability by reducing screen glare and is particularly effective at conserving battery life on devices with OLED displays. Remember, you have the flexibility to switch between light and dark modes whenever you prefer. For an even more integrated look, consider using dark-themed cover images and icons within your Notion pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.